Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. What we're doing today is talking about our first mate detailing kit. This detailing kit really focuses on basically cleaning your aquatic vessels, everything from jet skis to boats to ships to really just anything that's going to be on the waterway, as well as even maintaining your dock itself. What's included in this package is first off the Kranzle 1122 TST unit. This unit packs a punch at 2.1 gallons per minute at 1400 psi. It's a 110 volt unit, plugs into a 15 amp outlet, which means you can use it just about anywhere as long as it's on a dedicated breaker and nothing else is running on that. The unit itself, as you can see from these photos, has a really good compact footprint. It has everything that you need to really get you started, including the OEM factory hose reel. It has storage compartments for the OEM accessories, and really is just a good versatile unit already on wheels so you can wheel it out to your boat yard or whatever it is that you keep these things around your property. The unit itself is really good for cleaning boats. As you've seen from some of our other videos, it's even great for cleaning the underside when you pair it with a product like Barnacle Buster, which is included in this package. Some of the other features are we've included a 12-inch gun jet so that you can get a little bit closer into tighter areas for when it is that you're working. We've also included the Kranzle OEM foam cannon. This is really important because it basically takes the guesswork out of pairing a foam cannon to your Kranzle unit itself. No risk of overamping, as this is geared specifically towards this unit and its flow rate. As I mentioned, Barnacle Buster is one of the included soaps in this. Barnacle Buster goes on relatively easy. It sits on the surface, dissolves the bond that the barnacles have with the hull of your ship, and basically allows you just to pressure wash them off nice and easy. The other soaps that we've included in this are the Boss, as well as Big Green Bruce. As you know from some of our other videos, these are both two very eco-friendly products. They do a great job of just pulling dirt and debris off the surface. They're also safe for just about every surface. The only thing that you don't want to do is let them actually run into the waterway itself, as that can be an EPA violation depending on where it is that you're living. So it's important to take note of that. But for the most part, if your vessel is out of the water, these products are good to go. Should be safe for everything that you have on there, including just going over top of stuff and leave basically a very clean shine every time you're cleaning something. The next things we've included are just some generic tools to kind of help you along. First off, we've included a 50-foot garden hose. That's about the max length that you want to run with this machine, going from your water source out to the immediate shelf, whatever it is. If that's not good enough for you, consider this. We've included a foot valve assembly. What this does is it hooks up to the inlet on your 1122. You can sink this into the water and you'll actually be able to pull water straight up from the bay, straight up from the river, straight up from the ocean, wherever it is that you're working. It can pull water from a standing source, go straight into the pump and allow you to just keep on working without even needing a garden spigot. Once again, that is included in this package. The final thing we've included is a 6-foot scrub brush for just getting and agitating those tougher areas. Let's say this is the first time you pulled that we'll say just boat out of the water for the first time of the season. It might have a lot more barnacles on it than normal. This will allow you to agitate that Barnacle Buster product, work it in a little bit deeper, and then wash it down with the unit itself. All this is included in the first made package by Dirt Killer. If you like what you see, we'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.